Welcome to our YouTube video on how to share someone's story in Telegram. Sharing stories is a great way to spread the word and connect with others. In this full guide, we'll show you how to easily share someone's story in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to open. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture. This will open your own Telegram story. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to access additional options. Step 4. From the options menu, tap on Share. This will allow you to share the story with others. Step 5. Select where you want to share the story. You can choose from various platforms like other messaging apps, social media, or directly with your contacts. Sharing someone's story in Telegram is a simple and effective way to engage with others and spread interesting content. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share someone's story in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.